Morning, Sasha. Happy Mother's Day. Hope you and the little ones have a great one. Looks like it's going to be a great day. Later on, I'm going to make my mother some lunch. Me and my brother are going to collaborate and go from there. And it should be a very good one. Should be a great one. Should be nice and chill. At this point, I decided to record this because my words are probably going to get all jumbled up, and autocorrect is probably going to make me look like an ass. So at this point, I'm more than comfortable talking about anything, and I really don't feel like I should keep anything tucked away anymore. I mean, literally nothing good comes from suppressing those things, no matter how much justification you come up with. So if you need change, whether it's the living space, whether it's dating women, whether it's careers, what have you, chase it. You already know the answer. It doesn't matter if you feel like you're in a weird place. You already pretty much named out the answer. You got it. I will support you in every way, shape, or form. Whether you need help moving, whether you just want to talk to every once in a while to spiel, it doesn't matter. Any help you need, any assistance, I will be more than happy to oblige. Simply because I'm not just because I'm your friend, or because it seems like the norm by now, but it it's because I love you. I always have. I always will love you. Not love you as a friend. I mean, love you. Uh, But I wouldn't really love you if I held you back or if I made you, feel like you were in an even weirder place. So that's what I'm saying. I support you, but I also wanted to say that I love you, Sasha. I feel like I've never said it. And, they say you only live once, but actually you live every day. It's dying that you do once. And I didn't want to go another day without saying that I love you, Sasha.